Special food.
Yeah, it's very special.
Fantastic, gotta try it. Wow, we got some birds here. Interesting. Oh, what a party. Crazy. Good morning and welcome to beautiful Saturday morning here in Shanghai. Sun is shining and we're going for a hike at Sheshan. Of course, got my coffee here, out with the crew in the background, gonna enjoy some nice views. And then we'll see later today we go to finish Christmas market. We'll see and gonna have some nice Chinese food. But I'm gonna start with some hiking here, fast in the morning, so let's go. Always interesting with this really grand entrances and buildings, we kind of rest and vibe. We'll see, I don't think it's gonna be a very tough hike. We have the crew here, it looks very nice. Let's go inside and check it out. Okay, so it seems we've reached the top. Not exactly a big mountain, but at least we got in 3,400 steps, more than zero. Kind of a long travel just to go and see that, but still nice. I think we're gonna walk down, enjoy a little bit the view in the background here, and then go back downtown and probably eat something. So yeah, we'll see what that's next. You can actually see Shanghai skyline in the background, pretty far away, but still pretty cool. Here on the top, it's actually a really cool Catholic church. Gotta go in and check it out a little bit. Really beautiful, all this old architecture. A bit unexpected, that's for sure. So actually we managed to extend the hike a little bit, get some nice nature, and got in 8,800 steps here. But now it's time for a reward. We're gonna have some nice Chinese food in the background. I'm sure we're gonna find a lot of good stuff. A lot of meat for sure, a lot of other dishes I'm sure we're probably gonna show a little bit in the background. Then check out the Christmas market and then it's dinner, so let's go and check it out. Amazing, so we got the first dish here, looking good. I think it's bamboo. Oh nice, we're getting the second dish here. It's looking amazing. Wow, time to break up the chicken. That's crazy good. Amazing, we have the beef here, that's crazy good. Fantastic, we also have the chars, we have the skewers. So we're back in downtown Shanghai. It's always cool, you walk around and see these kind of old stores in the back. You turn around, you have these crazy skyscrapers, very dynamic, coming from the nature. But now we had some amazing food. As clearly you can see, we got in like 8,000 steps, a lot of amazing energy, and it's a very nice honey glazed beef there. So now we're gonna check out this Christmas market, Finnish one. Yesterday was German, so let's see what's on offer. Food everywhere. It's going to be more on that later today, but let's go and check out the market now. Nice, I think we finally found a good area and the sun is setting. Really cool. A lot of stuff going on here in the background, a lot of stores. Let's see if we can find the Finnish part somewhere around there, but it looks like it's going to be a lot of cool food here. Let's see. It seems actually be very limited with the Finnish food here. You only have some alcohol. I think I'm going to skip that. But very nice with all these small stores. We walk around and get some other snacks here. Really cool vibes, but it feels a bit early. It's not even December yet when at least I'm recording this, so I'm gonna explore a bit, see what we can find and see a bit soon. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna be enough food for us, and there's not much Finnish stuff, but there's a lot of cool Chinese stuff in the background. These canned stuff look very nice, like some sort of fish and braised pork. Let's try and grab it and share it with their friends. Amazing, let's serve up the chicken, looks crazy good. Great, we get some bonus mushrooms here, looks amazing. Fantastic, let's try it. Very interesting, crispy mushrooms, try it. Like a snack, very crunchy, a little bit spicy. Interesting, we have a bit of a meat piece here, let's try it. Ooh, sweet and sour and crunchy, very nice. We have some really interesting chicken piece, let's have a try. Crunchy and spicy, very good. Here we have a bit of a fish situation going on, white fish, let's try it. Mild, but also a little bit spicy actually, very good. Yeah, definitely better than some other stuff I've tried. I'm going to continue enjoying this a little bit and see what's up next. Interesting Sheshan food. Let's have a bit of a weird bite, see what it tastes like. Not that spicy, chewy. Not my favorite. Yeah, let's see if there's something else. Yeah, I guess it's time to call it a night here. Going back to meet up some friends and have dinner, and then we'll see. Maybe go out and check some bars or who knows, clubs. You never know what happens. But I'm not going to bring this camera, so maybe show some of the clips in the background from the food. I'm sure it's going to be a lot of crazy stuff. As always, Shanghainese food, I think, actually. And then we'll see. Maybe show some of the other clips here from the rest of the evening. But it's a very nice day so far, a lot of hiking. So if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, what I'm up to, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.